Welcome to Sunny Side. Our topic today is lactose intolerance and intestinal absorption of glucose. Lactose intolerance is when body's system is not able to break down lactose that is found in milk or milk products, and that's why sometimes you find those that are allergic to dairy products because their systems simply are not able to digest lactose. They sort of experience symptoms of lactose intolerance such as stomach upset like bloating, diarrhea, feeling of sick, etc. Okay, first of all, I will like to give us a background to our discussions. Obviously, lactose is sugar, and so we can start by classifying lactose as a type of sugar. Sugars are in two major classes, namely monosaccharides and disaccharides. Monosaccharides class are sugars in their single unit forms, and examples of such are glucose, galactose, fructose, ribose, and mannose. Disaccharides class, on the other hand, are double unit sugars which are bonded through glycosidic linkage. Example of such is lactose, which consists of glucose and galactose, and sucrose, which consists of fructose and glucose, and then maltose, which is formed from 2 units of glucose. So, we can now clearly understand the different major sugar classifications. Going on to our next slide. Intestinal walls have no difficulty absorbing glucose, which means our system is able to absorb single-unit monosaccharides. Glucose or monosaccharides are absorbed via active transport. They reach in cells and leave the cells into circulation via facilitated diffusion. Disaccharide or double-unit sugars are not able to get absorbed in same way as single-unit monosaccharides, partly because they are bulkier than monosaccharides. For disaccharide class to be absorbed, the glycosidic linkage is broken, converting disaccharides back into monosaccharides for absorption. In the case of lactose, breaking down of lactose leads to monosaccharides of glucose and galactose. Remember, it is only in a single unit form such as glucose or galactose that absorption from intestine can take place. Lactose-glycosidic bond breakage is done by an enzyme called lactase enzyme. As a result, ingested milk will cause lactose intolerance if lactase enzyme produced is not enough for breaking down intestinal double-unit lactose into absorbable single-unit sugars. So, we can see how the conclusion was reached that lactose intolerance occurs when not enough lactase enzyme is produced for digesting double-unit intestinal lactose in other for subsequent absorption.